Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust ukulele strings. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this ukulele. And if you want to tune a ukulele or adjust the tuning, maybe you want to bring it out of tune because some people want to play certain songs and certain melodies out of tune, believe it or not. So let's say you want to adjust the strings, whether it's to tighten them, loosen them, bring them in tune, bring them out of tune, bring them higher, bring them lower. This is how you do it, okay? So you're going to obviously have your bass sound, okay? And what you want to do is pick a string that you want to adjust. So let's say I wanted to adjust this top string right here. Okay? We'll call it the top string. We're not going to go over the letters for the strings, the letter notes for the strings. We'll just call it the top string. Play it so you know what it sounds like as a bass sound. Okay? Just like this. Give me 1 second. I thought I heard something. No, that's just the fridge. I heard a weird sound, and I thought it was a weird sound, but it's actually just a fridge, and it's making a little bit of a rattling sound, but it's somewhat normal. I'm going to look into it. But that's a completely separate video, so look forward to that tutorial on fixing a fridge in the future. Back to the ukulele right now, okay? So we're going to play this just like this. Get your bass sound. Follow that string across. Now that top string across lines up with one of the tuning knobs, okay? So you can see that top string, if I follow it across, it ends right here. I go up, and this tuning knob is attached to it. Now, with that tuning knob, you can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. Listen to what's going to happen when I turn this clockwise. It goes lower. It lowers the pitch of that string. When you turn the knob clockwise, it lowers the pitch of that string because it is loosening the tension on that string. The string is significantly looser now. If I turn it counterclockwise, listen closely. It's tightening the tension. And because it's tightening the tension on that string, it's bringing the pitch or the tone up. Okay? And you can do that with any string. So I'm going to try and get it back. I mean, I'm going to tune it after this video anyways, because I can't get it perfect by ear, but... yeah, almost there. Anyways, that's how to do it. If I wanted to pick another string, let's say the second string from the top, I would follow it across, and it ends on this one right here. Sorry about that. I don't think I got that on camera. Second string from the top, I follow it across, and it actually ends on that one right there. You follow that up, and that leads to that one right there. So you turn that knob. Third string from the top, follow it across, and you'll notice a pattern that they go further, okay? And it ends on that one right there. Follow it to the top. You got that knob right there. Bottom string, obviously you can do the math. We follow it across. It goes all the way to the end here, and it leads to that one right there. And that's basically, that's how it creates the sound and the pitch and the tone. So essentially, what you can do is you can pick any string, let's say the bottom string right here. Clockwise brings it lower, and counterclockwise brings it higher. And you can get whatever sound you want. There we go. Okay, we're almost done. I'm going to tune it after this video. Now it's decently out of tune, so I'm going to tune it now that I'm done this video, since I basically brought it out of tune. And that's basically it. If you like this video on adjusting the strings of a ukulele, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.